How we doing, everybody? Your old pal Baba Ganoush here. So it's time for us to finally leave Damascus. It's been fantastic.
Aww.
Yeah, I know. It's finally time to leave. We've been here long enough. Yeah, it was nice to just take an extra day kind of thing, just relax a little bit, get some good stretching in, take care of some of the aches and pains, get some really good food, good calories and protein into us as well. You know, we definitely feel like $1,000,000 leaving here right now. And as well, it's nice not to leave on a rainy day. We're gonna have a beautiful day for the most part. They are talking about maybe some showers this afternoon, but so be it. Oh well, no worse for the wear. So today we're planning on doing about 15.5 miles out of Damascus to a great shelter. We're really looking forward to, you know, conquering Virginia. Obviously we got a while to do that, but we're looking forward to it anyway. But big thing coming up, we got Grayson Highlands in just a couple days.
Ponies!
Go see some ponies! So we're really looking forward to it. Great time here. Just great people. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Start of week 7 was yesterday. So today is day 2 of week 7. Day 40 something. I'll put the day down below. I just lost track of time a little bit, but it's good to be heading back out to the trail. In the meantime, you guys stay tuned. Week 6 was fantastic. Week 7, we're moving on to Virginia, baby. I'll catch you guys further up the trail. Baba Ganoush out. So how we doing, everybody? Your old pal Baba Ganoush here again. It's raining again. You know, rain never hurt anybody. A lot of rain hurt some people, but a little rain never hurt anybody. So I'm crossing this really cool bridge. I don't know what the name of this bridge is, but it's huge. And it crosses over not only trail down below us, river, there's some camping spots down below me. Oh man, I'm only like a couple miles from shelter, so I'm just kind of taking my time, enjoying myself. You know, a little rain, at least it's nice and warm out, so the rain doesn't really bother me too much. I at least threw my rain jacket on just to, you know, keep me a little bit drier, so on and so forth. I'm still wearing my running shorts. That's not gonna change. Feet are staying pretty dry right now. I'm not worried about it. It is what it is. We're heading on into warmer season, heading on into rainy season. This is expected. I've already sent home a number of different clothes and things as well, so my pack is getting lighter. Things are getting better, things are getting warmer, but the rain comes. The rain, the rain. In the meantime, let me get on up to shelter. It's probably gonna be a nice early night, getting inside my tent, which means I get to work on some videos for you guys, work on getting some pictures out and things as well. I always like early nights in my tent, hearing the little pitter patter of the rain. Always puts me to sleep really, really well. So let me put you away. Let me continue my hike, finish my hike, get on up to shelter. We got ponies. Oh yeah. This is really funny. Horse is just sitting there licking his leg, licking the sweat off of him. Kind of enjoying himself. It's kind of weird, but it's pretty rad actually. Right? No higher than the knee, all right? Watch it, sweetheart. Ponies for days. Ponies everywhere. Everywhere you look. Ponies. It's great. Tons of ponies. Had one come into our camp last night and kind of keep us up a little bit until we spooked it off. Now this is just really beautiful. Just tons of ponies that walk right up to you. Otherwise they just kind of ignore you. This is pretty cool to see. There's a couple babies just laying in the grass. This is just really, really cool out here. Lots of people out here too. I can understand why. It's a huge tourist spot. So let me put you away. We got a scout troop coming through. I'll see you guys further up the way. Good morning, everybody. Your old pal Baba Ganoush here again. It is a beautiful Sunday morning, April 29th, day 48, 49. I have no idea, nor do I really care. All I know is it's been a spectacular couple days. The weather is getting better and better. Oh man, I am so looking forward to switching out some pieces of equipment and getting my pack a little bit lighter. So yesterday, well anyway, the last couple days I just haven't really felt like filming a whole lot. I just wanted to kind of you know, take in the experience and enjoy things a little bit without really having to worry about taking the camera out all the time. And it was really nice. We went through Grayson Highlands. We got up to the area with all the ponies, as you guys saw. And in fact, the other night, staying at the shelter where all the ponies are, one pony decided to come take a visit when we were all trying to go get some sleep and things like that. It was actually pretty funny, but really cool to see the wild ponies. You know, you can walk right up to them and stuff like that. They're not shy around people. Obviously, you just gotta be a little bit careful, but they are very, very docile. You know, they'll kind of let you know when they're not really happy with you. But yesterday we ripped off 22.3 miles. You know, really easy terrain. We figured, hey, why not? Let's stretch out the legs a little bit. 22.3 miles, it felt really good. Today we're doing 12.3 miles. Staying at this one shelter, I believe it's called Partnership Shelter. And that is actually going to be because we'll head on into Marion, Virginia for a quick resupply. Oh man, we're not gonna stay the night in Marion or anything. We're gonna set up our tents when we get to the shelter, put our stuff in there, you know, so on and so forth, claim our land. And then we'll head on into town, get a resupply. What's cool about this one shelter, Partnership Shelter, there's a visitor center around the corner from me, only 100 yards away. And you can actually call and order pizza from there. So that's in fact what we're gonna do. We're gonna go get a resupply, have a good bite to eat in there, come back to the shelter, just put up our feet and relax a little bit this afternoon, call in some pizza, make it a really nice evening. So we are expecting some pretty cold temperatures tonight, dipping down possibly below freezing. Last night was pretty much the same thing. So last night we got a nice little fire going. We'll look forward to doing the same thing tonight. Now these should be, now the cold nights are getting fewer and fewer. In fact, later this week we're expecting some mid-70s temperatures during the day and only going to be in like the mid-50s and such things at night. So the weather's definitely getting warmer. I'm going to keep an eye on things for the next week and a half, maybe 2 weeks, and start to send home and switch out some piece of equipment. You know, make the pack a little bit lighter so we can stretch out the miles. We have longer days, more beautiful weather. Time to get those legs going, baby. So in the meantime, we got 12.3 to go today. It's just after 10:30. We've already been hiking for well over an hour. And yeah, I'll see you guys further up the trail. It's gonna be a great day, relaxing day. Oh man, I love it out here. Going on a month and a half. It's amazing, it's amazing. I'll see you guys further up the trail. We got cows. We got lots of cows. Some of them are actually right along the trail, just hanging out. Hey, how you guys doing? Just relaxing? Look at this guy right here. What's up there, buddy? I'm gonna give you the room that you probably deserve. But how you doing there, man? Just chilling out. Just a bunch of cows hanging out. How you guys doing? Oh, you're gonna stand, huh? Anyway, yeah, that one decided to get up right in front of me. Really nice. He probably thinks I'm the owner. Has food. But anyway, we got cows. Woo! Just had to take you out to show you that. I've only got a few more minutes than the last time I picked you up. I'll talk to you guys real soon. So how we doing, everybody? Your old pal Baba Ganoush here again. Monday morning, April 30th. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful view. First day that first view that we've actually had in a couple days, which is kind of nice, which is why I'm finally taking it out for a change. It's been kind of boring otherwise. You know, I'm doing the same thing every day. I'm not going to take you out if there's nothing to talk about. But today, it's a beautiful day. We're expecting like mid-60s temperatures. This whole week is supposed to be gorgeous. So I'm just going to soak in this view for a couple quick seconds here. So because of the weather, the way it's getting a little bit warmer, just looking ahead for the next week at least, it's supposed to be in the mid-70s and sunny. Supposed to be in the mid 70s and sunny every single day, and only in like the mid to low 50s in the evenings each and every single night. Obviously that can always fluctuate here and there, but it's starting to kind of level off a little bit and get pretty nice out. So I sent for my summer gear, my warm weather gear. I will be sending home a couple bulky clothes, trimming some of the weight and things like that, switching out for some lighter pieces of clothing meant for more summer weather, warm weather. I will be holding on to my puffy just to be on the safe side with things. Otherwise, I'm looking forward to making the pack a little bit lighter, streamlining things a little bit, so that we can stretch out the miles a little bit more. Because we are ready to start doing some serious miles. We've been doing some pretty serious miles as well, but now that the weather's getting warmer, longer days, lighter packs, so on and so forth, we're ready to go. In the meantime, we're doing about 14.5, maybe some more miles today, depending on how we feel. Just staying in a nice little stealth camp spot tonight. Gonna enjoy ourselves. It's supposed to be another beautiful night. Oh man, I think this is day 48 if I remember correctly. I have no idea, I'm losing track. All I know is we're well into Virginia now. 500 miles has come and gone. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, I am excited. Let me put you away, let me get on up. I'll see you guys further up the trail. How we doing, everybody? So this is the famous schoolhouse in Virginia. Really cool, wood burning stove in the middle, the old desks and everything, just really cool. Has an old scent to it, probably from the lead paint. And a little bit of trail magic over here as well. Really not as far as snacks goes, it's more like toiletries and some of those basic essentials and things like that. Always appreciate the trail magic. So we're gonna stop here, we're gonna see what kind of trail magic they have to offer and see if we can use anything, and then we'll continue on the way. Still gonna do probably about 13.5, 14.5 miles, but not gonna crush out the miles too much today. We have some really favorable terrain moving forward, especially as the packs get lighter, as we eat food. Be more beneficial to crush the miles on those days. So in the meantime, I'm gonna take a look here. I'll see you guys further up the way.